Now see this problem. In a right angle triangle, the product of two sides is equal to half of the square of the third side, that is hypotenuse. One of the acute angle must be, I just draw a figure quickly. This is a right angle triangle. Now I assume this to be x. This is y. Now product of two sides is equal to half of the square of the third side, right? So half of the square. Basically it will be x square plus y square square root, right? Now product of the two sides, that is xy, is equal to half of the square of the third side. So square of the third side will be x square plus y square. So precisely x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 0, or we can say x minus y whole square is 0. That means x is equal to y. That means both the sides are equal. Now this angle is 90 degree, and if both the sides are equal, then both the angles should be same, that is 45 degree. Right? Pretty simple. Can be done in just 40 to 50 seconds. If two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm, then the length of the chord of the larger circle that touches the smaller circle is. Okay, let's draw the circles. So this is a figure, and radius is given. I just draw the radius also. Now friends, just look at the bigger circle. If you drop the perpendicular from the center of the circle, then it bisects the chord, right? So if I drop the perpendicular from this point to this point will be nothing but the midpoint of this, or we can say center point of the chord, right? Now the problem has become simple for us. This length, complete length, that is the radius of the outer circle, that's actually 5, that's given. Now this length, that is the radius of the inner circle, so that's 5. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out this length. So that's nothing will be 4, because 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. So if it is 4, the complete length will be 8, right? So the chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle is nothing but 8 cm, right? Pretty simple. Now see this. Inside a square ABCD, a triangle BEC is an equilateral triangle. If CE and BD intersect at O, then angle BOC is equal to, we draw a square over here. So this is the square. Then we have a triangle BEC, that is an equilateral triangle. I draw that. So this is an equilateral triangle, and this is the diagonal of the square, right? So here it is A, B, C and D, and this point is E. This angle is 60 degree, right? I just write over here 60 degree. Now this diagonal makes angle 45 degree with this side, right? So this angle is 45 degree, but this complete angle is 60 degree, right? Because it is an equilateral triangle. That means this portion will be nothing but 15 degree, and this point is O, right? BOC, that we have to find out. So this angle is 15 degree, this angle is 60 degree. That means this angle will be 180 minus 60 and 15, that is 180 minus 75, or we can say 105 degree. So this angle must be 75 degree, right? Because this and this, both of them are forming linear pair, or we can say this angle is actually nothing but the sum of other two interior angles. So 60 plus 15, this angle must be 75 degree. As simple as that. Okay. The very basic properties of this triangle and this square we are using over here. Now see this question. A point D is taken from the side BC of a right angle triangle ABC, where AB is hypotenuse. Then we have to find out the relationship among ABCD, BC and ADA, right? So now what we do, to make the problem simple, what we can do is we can take the comfortable values of AB, AC, BC and CD, right? So I assume the triangle ABC, the sides must be 3, 4 and 5, right? Because they are Pythagorean triplets, so that can be easily calculated. And I assume this point D to be at midpoint, because finally the entire calculation, the entire relationship is given among variables, right? So CD and DB, what exactly the relationship between them is actually doesn't matter. Maybe CD is more than DB, maybe CD is less than DB, right? So that really doesn't matter over here. Okay. So now what? AD will be what? See, with this is also right angle triangle. So 9 plus 4, AD will be root 13. Okay. Now we have got all the values. Now put up the values. AB square is 25. CD square 4 is equal to BC square is 16 and AD square is 13. So 25 plus 4, 29, and 16 plus 13 is 29. So that's definitely correct choice, right? No need to go further. Even if you wish to verify it, you can even go, but that actually it is not at all necessary, right? Now I just do it for you. CD square that is 4, BD square that is 4, and AD square is 13 into 2, 26. So left hand side, right hand side is not equal. AB square 25, AC square 9, AD square is 13 into 2, 26, and this is 34. So that's not correct. Similarly, you can check for AB square 25, AD square 13, and BD square 4. Right? So easily you can do this sum if you put up the comfortable values of the variables. Okay, we just assume two sides, that is AC and BC, right? AB will be obtained automatically using Pythagoras theorem. We have taken Pythagorean triplets only, and D is assumption that it is a midpoint. You can even take C as 1 and BD as 4, then also the same relationship will be correct, right? In that case, this will be 4 plus 1, 3 square, that is 9 plus 1, this will be root 10, right? I just put up the values once again for you. So this is AB square. AB square is 25. CD square is 1 is equal to BC square. BC square is 16 and AD square is 10. You can see 26 and 26, right? So you should be having confidence in yourself. Okay? I hope that's clear to you. Now see this, sine theta plus cos theta is root 2 cos theta, then the value of cos theta minus sine theta. What I do, I square this expression from both the sides. So that's sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, right? Now if I square this, I'll be getting cos square theta plus sine square theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta. Suppose this is x, then this is x square, right? Now here it is 1 minus 2 sine theta cos theta. Now 2 sine theta cos theta, the value is 1 minus 2 cos square theta, right? So I put up the value. 2 sine theta cos theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1, right? So this is 1 minus 2 cos square theta plus 1. So that is 2 minus 2 cos square theta, or 2 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. So x square is equal to 2 sine square theta. That means x is equal to root 2 sine theta. Pretty simple. I hope that's clear to you. Now this question, each interior angle of a regular octagon. See, for any polygon, the sum of the angles is given by n minus 2 into 180, right? Now this is sum of all the 8 angles, right? If I put the value of n as 8, that is 6 into 180, that is sum of all the angles, right? Since we have to find out the sum, that means each interior angle, so we'll divide it by 8, right? And since we have to find it in a radian, so instead of 180 I will write pi, because pi is 180. Okay, so this is 3 4, so 3 by 4 pi, right? As simple as that. Now this question here, r sine theta is equal to 1 and r cos theta is equal to root 3. So we have to find out the value of root 3 tan theta plus 1. So what I can do is sine theta will be 1 by r and cos theta will be root 3 by r. So tan theta is what? Sine theta by cos theta, right? So sine theta is 1 by r and cos theta is root 3 by r. So tan theta is 1 by root 3. I put up the value over here. So root 3 into 1 by root 3, that is 1 and plus 1. So it's 2, right? A 20-second problem. That's it. Now again, that's very simple. You just have to put up the value of sine 45 and cosec 30. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So x by root 2 is equal to y. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So cosec 30 will be 2, right? So x by y is equal to 2 root 2, right? Now we want x4 by y4. That means this is 2 root 2 raised to 4. So that's 2 root 2 raised to 4 into root 2 raised to 4, that is 2 square. So precisely it is 2 raised to 6. Okay, or we can say 4 cube. Simple. Now the angle of elevation of a tower from a distance 50 meter from its foot is 30 degree, the height of the tower. That's pretty simple. You just draw a very rough sketch, right? This angle is 30 degree, distance is 50, height of the tower we have to find out. The relationship between these two is given by tan theta. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 50. So h is 50 by root 3. That's it. Now see this. ABCD is a rectangle when the ratio of the lengths of AB and BC is 3:2. If B is the midpoint of AB, then the value of sine CPB. We draw a rectangle over here. So that's the rectangle. And this is the diagonal. Now A, B, C and D, right? AB and BC 3:2. I assume this to be 3 and this to be 2. Do not, I haven't drawn the figure to scale, so just do not get confused. P is the midpoint of AB, so this is P, right? Then the value of sine CPB, I just join P to C. Okay, now we have to find out the value of sine CPB. That means we are interested in this angle. Now since P is the midpoint, this length PB will be what? Half of 3, that is 1.5, right? Now we are interested in this angle. Okay, now relationship between BC and PB. This is a right angle triangle. So relationship between BC and PB will be given by, BC will work as perpendicular. If this is angle theta, so BC is perpendicular and PB is base, right? So tan theta, okay, tan theta will be what? Perpendicular by base. So this is 3 by 2. So tan theta is what? 4 by 3. Okay. So tan theta is 4 by 3. That means perpendicular is 4 and this is 3. That means hypotenuse must be 5, right? Now if hypotenuse is 5, sine theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So that is 4 by 5. Since we have to find sine theta, so that's this angle I assume to be theta. So sine theta will be 4 by 5, right? No much paperwork is required. You should be conceptually clear. That's it. Okay. The problem can be solved in less than a minute. Now this problem, quickly you can do, no need to go for any lengthy solution. Take sine A as common and in the bracket 1 minus cos A plus 1 plus cos A. Cos A will be cancelled and 1 2 times it will be added, so 2, and in the denominator 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A, that is 1 minus cos square A, that is sine square A, right? So this and this is cancelled. 2 by sine A is 2 cosec A. That's it. Okay. Now, the average of 4 consecutive even numbers is 27. Find the largest of these numbers. The numbers must be x plus 2, x plus 4 and x plus 6, right? Their average will definitely be the value x plus 3. Now, x plus 3 is 27. That means x is equal to 24. So, the largest number is x plus 6, so 24 plus 6, 30, right? Can be done in just 20 seconds. Average speed question. From A to B, speed is 6. From B to A, the speed is 3. So, average speed will be what? 2AB into A plus B. Already discussed this formula. So, 2 into 3 into 6 by 9. So, that's 4. Okay. Now, this problem. If two types can type two pages in 5 minutes, how many typists are needed to type 20 pages in 10 minutes? You can do this problem even verbally, and even unitary method can be used. Number of typists, pages and time, right? number of persons I just write, or workers, right? Workers is two pages in 5 minutes. Okay, how many typists are required? So X workers are required to print 20 pages in 10 minutes. Now we have to find out number of persons, so 2 by X, right? So more number of persons, more pages can be typed in same time, right? So the ratio will be direct. Okay, into if more persons are there to do the same work, less time is required, so the ratio will be inversed. Okay, so X is equal to 10, that means now 10 persons are required. Okay, the problem can be solved in just 30-40 seconds. Else what you can think, two typists can type 2 pages in 5 minutes. That means each person is taking 5 minutes to type 1 page, right? One typist is typing 1 page in 5 minutes, and other typist is typing 1 page in 5 minutes, right? So what is the capacity? Each typist can type 1 page in 5 minutes. Okay, now the typist, if one typist is there, he will take 100 minutes to type 20 pages, right? 100 minutes to type 20 pages if there is one typist, right? So if we have 10 minutes, I divide it by 10, so we need 10 typists. That's it. You can also go this way. Now, if the salary of a worker is first decreased by 15%, then increased by 5%, then the percentage effect on the salary. Okay, that's pretty simple. Initial salary, we start from 100. First, the salary is decreased by 15%, so now it is 85. Now it is increased by 5%, so that's the final answer, right? 85 into 1.05. So obviously, we cannot get integral values of the percentage. Obviously there will be some fractional values, and since there is a decrease, because first the salary is decreased by 15%, then only 5% increase is there, so no need to multiply this, you'll be getting the answer as this, right? Because you need to avoid the integral value, you cannot get integral value in this case. So, and since there is a decrease and the fractional decrease is there, so that's 10.75%, because the last option is an increase. Okay, no need to calculate. Now see this. An isosceles triangle ABC is right angled at B. D is a point inside the triangle ABC. P and Q are the feet of the perpendiculars drawn from D on side AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC. Now if AP is equal to A centimeter, AQ is equal to B centimeter, and angle BAD is 15, then we have to find out the value of sine 75 degree. Now, though the value of sine 75 degree is a constant, but here we have to find the value of sine 75 degree in terms of A and B, right? So what I do is I draw this triangle first of all. So this is a triangle, that is an isosceles triangle. That means perpendicular and base, both of them are having the same length, right? Now from a point D inside, I drop a perpendicular over here and here. Okay, I join the line this. Okay, now what is happening? This is A and it is right angled at B, so this is B and this is C, right? Now these are the foot of perpendicular, this is point D, right? Now it is given that angle BAD is 15, BAD, that means this angle is 15 degree. Now what? See, this is 90, this is 15, that means this angle must be 75 degree. Okay, now this length AP and AQ, AP is given to be A and AQ is given to be B, right? Now what? See this 90 degree, this since AB is equal to AC, that means C must be 45 degree and this complete angle must be 45 degree. So if PAD is 15 or BAD is 15, that means this remaining part will be 30 degree, right? Now what, since we have to find out the value of sine 75 degree, now look at this triangle ABD. So from here sine 75 degree will be what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is AP, that is A, and hypotenuse is AD. Now AD is unknown length, so we have to find out AD in terms of B. So from that, from this triangle, that can be done. Now from this triangle, we can see this is angle 30 degree, and relationship between base, that is AQ or B, and hypotenuse is given by cos theta, right? So cos 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2 is equal to B by AD. Okay, so AD is what? 2B by root 3. I put up the value over here. AD is 2B by root 3. Right? So what is sine 75? A root 3 by 2B. Okay, A root 3 by 2B. As simple as that. Okay. So almost all problems of this paper we have solved, and I'm sure you are able to do the problems now, and your concepts will be cleared now. In fact, your concepts are clear now. So all the best. Now see this question from geometry from SSC CGL 2013 paper, query sent by a student. See here, let C be a point on a straight line AB. Circles are drawn with diameters AC and AB. Let P be any point on the circumference of the circle with diameter AB. If AP meets the other circle at Q, then which is true? Okay, first of all, we just draw the diagram. So that's line AB. Then and here we have drawn two circles, one as AC as diameter and other AB as diameter, right? Now P is any point on the circumference of the circle with center AB. I suppose this is P, right? Now if AP meets the other circle at Q, I join AP. Now this is point, this point is Q, right? Now we have to find out the relationship between QC and PB. So I join QC and I join PB. Now a very simple concept is involved over here, that is angle in semicircle is always 90 degree, right? Since AB is diameter, angle APB will be 90 degree, right? And similarly AC is diameter, so angle AQC will be 90 degree, right? So this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. That means this and this are corresponding angle. That means line QC is parallel to line PB, right? If the corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel, right? This is 90, this is 90. That's why PB is parallel to QC. So that's definitely correct, right? Apart from that, QC is half of PB. That is this fourth option. If we check out, QC is half of PB. That we cannot say because we don't know the location of C, right? Because C is a point. It's not given that it is exactly at half or exactly at the center of the circle or where. We don't know that, right? So the relationship between QC and PB cannot be said, right? AQ by QP will be equal to AC by CB will be equal to QC by PB, right? That is the concept of the similar triangles, right? If QC is parallel to PB, then AQ by QP is equal to AC by CB is equal to QC by PB, okay? So this is the concept of similar triangles. Okay, so we are sure that QC is parallel to PB, but we cannot say that QC is half of PB, right? I hope you are clear. Let's say this problem from SSC CGL paper 2013. D and E are 2 points on the sides AC and BC respectively of a triangle ABC such that DE is 18 cm, CE is 5 cm and angle DEC is 90 degree. If tan angle ABC is 3.6, then AC is to CD ratio we have to find out. I first of all draw the triangle over here. This triangle ABC. That's line DE. Okay, so this is A, B, C, this is D and this is E, right? Now DEC is 90 degree, so this angle is 90 degree, that's already given. DE is 18 centimeter and CE is 5 centimeter. Now this is a right angle triangle. Now we have to find out the ratio of AC is to CD, that is AC is to CD. That means we need to draw one more line over here that will be parallel to line DE. Okay, so this also 90 degree. Okay, now 10B is given to us as 3.6, right? 10B is 3.6 and 10C can be calculated as perpendicular by base, that is 18 by 5, and that is also 3.6. That means this angle and this angle is same. That means this triangle ABC is an is isosceles triangle. Now if it is an isosceles triangle, this line, suppose it is P, AP will be, that means we can say P will be midpoint of BC, right? Now triangle CDE is similar to triangle CAP, right? Because this angle is common and this angle is 90 degree. So AA similarity will be there. So if the triangles are similar, their sides will be in ratio. That means we can say CA by CD is equal to CP by CE, and that is equal to AP by DE, right? All the three sides will be in proportion. Okay, now we have to find out the ratio CA by CD, that will be equal to CP by CE. As since we have to find out the answer in the terms of BC and CE, CP will be nothing but half of BC, right? So CA by CD is equal to half of BC and this. So BC by 2CE, CA by CD is equal to. Okay, so easily this can be done. I hope you are clear. Now let's try this problem of geometry from SSC CGL 2013 paper. D and E are 2 points on the side AC and BC respectively of a triangle ABC such that DE is 18 cm, CE is 5 and angle DEC is 90. If 10 angle ABC is 3.6, then AC is to CD is what? First of all, I just draw a diagram, a rough sketch over here. This is my triangle ABC and this is angle DEC, that is 90 degree, right? So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E, right? This angle is 90 degree, that is given, DEC is 90 degree. Now what? We have to find out the ratio AC is to CD. AC is to CD, right? Now what I do a small construction over here. I just draw a line over here. That's a perpendicular from vertex A to side BC, and this is suppose P, right? Now triangle CDE and triangle CPA, both of them will be similar. Why similar? Because this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree, right? And this angle is common between the two triangles, right? So triangle CDE, I just write over here. You don't have to write in the time of your exams. You just have to save the time. CPE. And the reason, angle C is common between both the triangles, and this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree. So this is AA similarity, right? Now CE is given to be 5 and DE is given to be 18, right? Now if the two triangles are similar, the sides will always be in proportion. And 10B, that is ABC, 10 angle ABC is given 3.6. So actually 10B is 3.6, okay? Now the sides will be in ratio of both the triangles. So if this is 5, this will be 5x. If this is 18, this will be 18x. Okay. And we have to find out the answer in the terms of BC and CE, right? So now see 10B is equal to AP by BP, that is perpendicular by base. So 18x by BP, and BP is actually BC minus CP. So BC minus CP is what? 5x. Okay, and 10B is given to us as 3.6. So 10x is equal to BC. So BC is equal to 10x. So this length is also 5x. That means BP is also 5x. Now since the two triangles, all the sides of the two triangles are in the ratio, that means CE by CP, CE by CP is equal to CD by CA. Right? CE, and we want CD by CA in the terms of CE and BC, and CP will be what? BC minus CP will be what? 5x. So since BC is equal to 10x, CP will be what? BC by 2, right? So CD by CA is 2CE by BC. So here we are asked CD, AC by CD, so that AC by CD, that will be BC by 2CE, right? BC by 2CE. So a very simple concept of similar triangles we have used over here, nothing else, right? And this problem should not take more than a minute to solve, right? This entire paperwork I have done for your reference only, otherwise nothing has to be written. I think just 1 or 2 lines you need to write, okay? Now friends, let's see this question from SSC paper 2013. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that AD is perpendicular to BC. E is a point on AD for which AE is to ED is 5:1. If angle BAD is 30 degree and 10 angle ACB is 610 angle DBE, then angle ACB is. First of all, I just draw the diagram. Here we take a triangle, random triangle. Now this is A, B and C. After that we draw a line AD, that's AD. Then this is the point E, I suppose. So this is the figure. I just name, that's A, B, C. And this angle I assume to be theta. This angle is given to be 30 degree, and this is D, and this angle is 90 degree, right? And what is given? E is a point on AD for which AE is to ED is 5:1. So AE is to ED is 5:1. So I suppose this to be 5x and this to be x, right? Now 10 angle ACB. Here I take ACB as C. So 10 C is equal to 6 10 theta, right? That is given, right? DBE, that is 10 theta. So that's given. Now the problem becomes very simple. You have a triangle ABD, that is a right angle triangle, right? So in this right angle triangle, if this is angle 30 degree, so 10 30 degree will be perpendicular, that is BD by base, that is 6x, right? And similarly, or we can take, in fact we can take 10 60 degree also. This complete angle will be 60 degree, right? So that also can be taken, no problem. And then we take triangle BED. So here 10 theta is equal to perpendicular, that is x by base, that is BD, right? Perpendicular by base, this is angle theta. Now 10 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. Now what I do, I multiply both of them. So 10 30 degree into 10 theta, that is 1 upon root 3 into 10 theta is equal to BD by 6x into x by BD, right? So 10 theta is nothing but root 3 by 6, right? Tan theta is root 3 by 6. If I put the value of tan theta over here, so I'll be getting 6 into root 3 by 6. That means tan C is equal to root 3. Now tan C is root 3, that means C must be 60 degree, because tan 60 degree is root 3. So this angle that we have to find out, that is angle ACB, is nothing but 60 degree. Okay, so that's easy. I hope you are clear. That's 30 degrees already given. This angle is 90 degrees. So this complete angle will be 60 degree. Whether you wish to use, you can use even tan 60 degree instead of tan 30 degree. Doesn't matter. Or you can use tan 30 degree. Right. And after that, we have considered triangle ABD. This angle is 90 degree, and we have considered triangle BED. Here this is the perpendicular, in the other case that is a perpendicular, right? So the ratio is already given, 1:5, so we can take it as 5x and x. Then the remaining calculation is very easy. The problem should not take more than 45 seconds to solve, right? I hope you are clear.